I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the hotspot on your source phone, and here's why. The hotspot creates a Wi-Fi network that the receiving phone joins. Once done, name the SSID clearly and set a secure password. This prevents accidental joins and interference. Make sure phone B has Wi-Fi turned on and is scanning networks. If it's asleep, wake it. Also confirm phone A's cellular data is active. Without it, the hotspot won't provide internet. You now tap the hotspot SSID on the receiving device and enter the password. And that's the core action. Precise password entry avoids delays. After connection, check the phone's network settings. Usually DHCP works best, so leave IP automatic unless you need a static address. If you use a VPN or proxy, enable it now because some apps require it for security. Make sure the Wi-Fi symbol shows active signal. If not, you finish by testing the connection. Open a web page or stream a short video to confirm usable bandwidth, because visual proof saves time. If pages fail to load, first restart the hotspot and reconnect. Oftentimes the session needs a fresh handshake. If problems persist, check carrier tethering caps and APN settings on the hotspot phone. As a last resort, toggle airplane mode on both devices or reboot them. That clears stubborn radio issues and usually restores a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.